So we print 2 plus 2, and you play. You have 4. Here it is 4. You have 4. You can also print 2, 5 divided by 2. Play. You have 2.5. Now when we have, if we just want only the integer and we don't want the remainder, then we can do 5 divided, we put 2 forward slash play, so we have just 2. Now that gives us our div 5 div 2, so we have the integer and we don't have the decimal part of it. Now, but if we need just the module, the decimal part of it, we use the mode. Now the modulus is represented using the percentage. So 5% 2, when we run it, you have 1. That's just the remainder. Alright, so similar to mode. Now Python doesn't recognize numbers with commas. So if we were to present 1 million, let's say 1 comma 1 2 3 1 2 3, and we were to print it, that's supposed to be a million, but it just gave us 100. It printed just 1 0 0 because it doesn't recognize this for numbers. It doesn't recognize it. So if we needed to print 1 million, we have to put the 1 million without the commas, and it's going to print it out for us. Play that, have it different. Here it is, complete 1 million. So that is how Python handles numbers.